more numerical, that is determine the specific volume of ammonia at 2000 kilopascal and 160 degrees centigrade. So we have to find out the specific volume of ammonia at pressure 2000 kilopascal and temperature of 160 degree centigrade. So what we will do, this temperature 160 will add 273 to it. It becomes 433 Kelvin. Okay. Now first we'll find out this. This problem we are solving using a compressibility chart. Okay. So we will find out the reduced properties, that is reduced pressure as well as reduced temperature. And to find the reduced properties, that is PR and TR, we need to know PC and TC, that is critical properties, pressure and temperature at critical point. And this PC and TC, they are given in the table. Okay, now for ammonia, we will see the table. Now looking at this table, where the TC and PC, that is critical temperature and critical pressure is given, you can see NH3 ammonia is given, that is 405, that is TC, and from bottom third row, okay, NH3. So TC is 405 Kelvin and PC is 11.277 megapascals. So now substituting this value, because here it is given in kilopascal, so we are converting that megapascal also into kilopascal by multiplying it with 1000. So we get PR, reduced pressure PR, is equal to P by PC. P pressure is given as 2000 kilopascal, we are writing on the top numerator, divided by PC, that is 11280 kilopascal. We have converted that into kilopascal. So this you get it, critical pressure we have converted to kilopascal, and thus you get the value of reduced pressure PR is equal to 0.177. Similarly, from the table of critical properties, we have found out that ammonia NH3, we should remember the symbol of ammonia is NH3. If you confuse and you make CH3, then it is different, gone. Now for reduced temperature, TR is equal to T divided by TC. T is given as 160 degrees centigrade, that is plus 273, that is 433 Kelvin, divided by TC is 405 Kelvin given in the table. So solving this, we get TR is equal to 1.068. Now you can see PR is equal to 0.177, they are very small, 0.177 very small, and TR is also almost equal to 1. Okay, so 0.177 PR, we will see that about x-axis, and y-axis we will see that TR is 0.1. Okay, and then we will find out the value of Z. Now you can see this again general compressibility chart. So PR is 0.177, very low, that is somewhere here. We can take this line here, this line very close to the x-axis. This is a PR is equal to 1.177. TR is 1. So you can see this line is TR1 line. This line is TR1 line. So where it is intersecting, you can see it is intersecting at this point. This point. This point is just above 0.9. Okay, so this is the TR line. This is for TR line. This is your PR line. And this whatever intersection you are getting, this is the value of Z. So we will find out. You can see one by one. Z is slightly above 0.9. Okay. So using the compressibility chart, when we have seen for PR is 0.177, TR is 1, we get the Z is equal to 0.94. Now we have to find out R. What is R for ammonia? R is nothing but R bar divided by molecular weight. Okay, ammonia is NH3. So H3 means 3. H is 1, so H3 is 3. Then N is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So R is equal to R bar, that is 8.3143 divided by 17, and you will get the value as 0.4882 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. So you have to calculate this R. It is not, it is directly written here, but you have to calculate this. So we know that PV is equal to ZRT. Now we have to find out V, because we have to find out specific volume, that is small v. So small v is equal to ZRT divided by P. So if we have found out values of Z is 0.94, then R is 0.4882, we have calculated, into 433 Kelvin, that is the temperature, divided by P is 2000 kilopascal. So you get the value of V is equal to 0.0993 meter cube per kg. Okay, so the specific volume of ammonia at 2000 kilopascal and 160 degrees centigrade is 0.0993 meter cube per kg. This is the problem. So by using the compressibility chart, first we have calculated the reduced properties, that is reduced pressure and reduced temperature. To calculate this, we have taken the properties at critical point, that is critical pressure as well as critical temperature. So PR is equal to P by PC, TR is equal to T by TC. So substituting TC and PC from the table which is available for critical properties, this table is available in the data book. We found PR and TR. After finding PR and TR, we have taken the compressibility chart. Then first we have taken the PR line, straight line, x-axis. Then we have seen where it intersects the TR line at 1 with TR is equal to 1. So that is 0.94. That is on y-axis, that Z. Considering this Z, we have then now calculated the R value for ammonia. R for ammonia is, for any gas for that matter, is universal gas constant, that is 8.3143 divided by the molecular weight of that gas. And molecular weight of ammonia is 17. So we get R is equal to 0.4882. So substituting these values in the equation, PV is equal to ZRT. We want to find out only V, small v, that is specific volume. We found it as 0.0993 meter cube per kg. So specific volume will always be per kg. Volume will be in meter cube only, but specific volume will be in meter cube per kg. So this was how you can solve the problem using the compressibility chart. Thank you.